Hi, I'm Julie Combs, Technology Integration Coach for Clarksville Montgomery County School System. In this session, I'm going to show you about using the reports in Nearpod to gather more information about how your presentation went. So when I click Reports, it takes me into this screen that shows me the many presentations that I've created. Now, because I can use my presentations more than once, it will give me the date and the number of students that participated in the actual session. So we're going to take a look at the report from this session. This was a practice session that we did with teachers just to see how to use Nearpod. So you can see that I have a summary here that has student engagement details, and then it also has some graphs here. What I really like about this is the feature of being able to click on the quiz, the poll, the open-ended questions, and the draw it questions. So we're going to take a look at the quiz, and it gives me each of the questions that were asked. So I can very easily and quickly go in and see what all of the students responded, how many correct answers there were, how many wrong answers there were, and it will show me who responded incorrectly so I can intervene with those students as needed. When you move over to the poll section, it's a similar situation. It allows me to see which students chose which items here, and this was not a right or wrong. This was an opinion question, so it just gives me an idea of what the student's understanding for that particular question was. I can also take a look at the open-ended questions and what the student responses were here. And then I can look at the draw it question. This is nice because it allows me to see what the student's actual drawing was. So depending on what it is that they were doing will allow you, this was just learn to use Nearpod, but it allows me to see very quickly how each student responded. Another nice feature of the reports is that I can download the report for myself or I can share it. To share it, I just click that and I can email this report to anybody that I would like. It's great if you have used Nearpod for a lesson that you were observed and evaluated. You can email the after report to your administrator. And then with the download, if you want to keep a copy, you can download from the student view or you can download from the session view. You can have that as a PDF or a CSV. So you can see there are lots of powerful ways to use the reporting feature for Nearpod.